Hello Bellas, it's your girl Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. Do not forget, down underneath the video in the corner is my Brown Girl Bella logo. All you need to do is click on that logo and you'll be subscribed and in the Bella family. So don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to tap that notification bell so you be notified each and every time I upload. And last but not least, give me a like and don't forget to share. Today's video is all about my highlight collection. These are all of the highlighters that I've collected over the past couple of years, with the exception of one that I can't find. It's one of my newest ones from CoverGirl. Or Maybelline, I think it is. Either way, I can't find that for some unknown reason. Maybe by the end of this video, I'll find it. But if not, I want to show you all of the ones that I do have. Some are higher end, some are lower end, some are right in the middle. But without further delay, let's jump into it. These are all of my highlighters. All right, so first and foremost, I want to share with you some of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes that I have, because I have just about all of her glow kits. I do know she re-released one of them that I didn't get because I thought, I have the same colors and I probably don't need the new one color that she launched with the relaunch of the collection. So I decided not to get that one. But I do have, like I said, 3 of her glow kits. First one I have is called the Gleam kit, and I'll show you that one. This is the Gleam kit. They're beautiful. Comes with 4 highlighters. They are Hard Candy here, Mimosa, Starburst, and then Crushed Pearl. These are very, very pretty. They're really a great compliment to brown girls that glow. It also comes with 4. And these 4 are Starburst, Golden Bronze, Bubbly, and Dripping in Gold. I mostly use the last 2 because those are like the real champagne colors, but I like them all. Sunburst, I like to use during the nighttime because it really gives you that bling, and then I like to layer that with other highlighters that I have as well. So those are 2 of the 3 glow kits that I have. I'm just gonna put those over here off to the side. And then I want to show you the Sweets kit. Now this is the kit that relaunched, and I think she traded out one of the colors, and I can't remember which one she traded out. But the color that she added, I was like, I don't really need it. Get a whole 4 kit highlighter set for just one new one that she got. Wasn't worth it for me, so I didn't do it. But these are the 4 that I do have. They are Marshmallow, Sassy Grape, Butterscotch, and then Taffy. Taffy I love. Taffy reminds me of some of the rose gold highlighters that I have even today. And actually, I think I'm going to layer that one when I do my face and I want to do a rose gold highlighter. I think I'm going to use that as the base and then layer maybe LeBron's. Maybe I'll put that on top of it. That might be a really good one. So that is the Sweets collection. And then the last one that I got from Anastasia Beverly Hills is her partnership with Nicole Guerriero. And this collaboration I love because they actually gave us 6 highlighters. And in typical style, she did put them on the palette, but she didn't put them on the back, so I can't read them off the back, but I will point them out. They are Kitty Cat, Forever Young, Daydream. This one is Forever Lit, Glow Getter, sorry, and 143. So those are the 6 highlighters that she has in this collection. I mostly use Glow Getter, 143, Forever Young. Once in a blue moon, I may use the other ones, but mostly, you know, I stick to those champagne and rose gold colors. That's more in my wheelhouse anyway. All right, so I also have some Lorac colors that I got a few months ago when I won a subscriber giveaway. This one is called Twilight. And this is what Twilight looks like. It's gorgeous. It's really stunning, and especially on brown skin, it really gives you a nice pop of color. So that's Twilight. And then this one is called Daylight. And Daylight I have used to go to work. It gives you a nice, again, subtle color. And you may think because it looks light that it won't show up, but this is really pigmented. Look at that. That's how it shows up on the skin. It does not look ashy at all. I think the light's probably gonna wash it out a little bit. But when you put it on the skin, trust me, it looks really, really pretty. And especially if you wanna layer it with something else, and I like to layer my highlighters since I have so many of them. When you layer them, they really pop and show up. So I like that. I also have some of the Balm Cosmetic highlighter. This is what it looks like. Again, it's like a rose gold color. Looks really, really pretty on the skin. It's hard to tell with the swatch because it looks really light. But again, you could definitely build this color up and use it as a base for other colors. And this one, this is what that one looks like. This is also a Manny Lou Maximizer highlighter. This is what that color looks like. Again, they're very light. They're meant to, you know, just give you a little subtle pop of color. So those are the ones that I have from the Balm. And then, of course, you know, I have my MAC. This one is the dual one that I have with the Pleasure Model blush. This one is called Whisper of Gilt. This one doesn't need anything on top of it because this thing really pops. There it is there. It really does pop on the skin, so you really don't need anything else if you use that. I like to use it mostly at night, or if I'm going somewhere during the day, I will pop that on. This one I got is called Trace Gold. This is actually a blush, but it's so light and so pigmented. I'm gonna swatch it here. That I actually use it as a highlight. It looks fantastic on the skin. It really, really looks pretty. As a matter of fact, I haven't used this in a while, so I'm gonna put this on top of my table so I can remember to use it. So those are some of the highlights that I have. I also have the Lorac one, which, you know, is hitting pan. This is the duo one with the bronzer, which I love. I can't remember what the name of this is. I don't think they put a name here. No, it just says highlighter and bronze duo, but it's really, really pretty. Again, it's very brown girl friendly, and it's perfect to layer on top of another blush or on top of another highlighter. This one by Laura Geller is a cult classic. This is Gilded Honey. And this is the one that I love to layer with the Maybelline one that I just got that I can't find. But this is Gilded Honey. It's gorgeous. I don't think I need to say any more about that. It is just simply fantastic. And then moving into my higher end ones, this one is by Dose of Colors. This is no longer available, but this is Mirame, which is a rose gold. I love this color. And this is one of those highlighters that gives you that lit from within look, because it doesn't sit on top of your face. It actually just melts into your skin, making your skin just look really flawless. I love to layer that and then give another pop of color. I do have both of the Jackie Ainas, which, you know, you guys all know, La Peach and La Bronze. This one is La Peach. I'll put it on this side. So that's La Peach, that's that pop. And those are the ones that, you know, you can really put on top. Any of these Artist Coutures is really going to give you that lit from within look, and it's going to layer onto your skin and just make your skin look like you were dipped in just rose gold or whatever highlighter you want to use from Artist Couture. And that was La Peach. Oh, sorry, that was La Bronze. La Peach was first. And now this one is called Illuminati. And this one I use on top of a gold one, because that, look at that pop. It just, you really don't need anything but this color. But if you want to layer it on top of something else, it's perfect for layering as well. I also have some liquid highlighters. This one is Sunlight by Cover FX. And then I have a small one of Moonlight, which I also use. So those are my liquid highlighters, and I think I only have two. And then I have some stick highlighters. This one is by Tristique, and this one is in the color oh, it doesn't say. But this has a very luminescent color to it. That's what it looks like. It's perfect for the daytime as well, especially since it gives you a nice little subtle wash of color. And then lastly, this is by Dirty Little Secret. And this is another crayon highlighter, and that's that one. Again, these are also good to layer, but they can serve as single highlighters on their own. So those are my stick ones. And then for Fenty Beauty, I don't have to tell you guys about that, but I do have 3 of her collections. This one is Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. I'll show you in case you don't remember what that looks like. That's those 2. And then I also have Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. And this is what those 2 look like. And these are duals, so there's one side with a lighter color, and then the other side has a darker color. And then this one is Trophy Wife, which, you know, this is definitely a going out nighttime color. So those are the three that I have from Fenty Beauty. And then lastly, I have a Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick, and this is in the color Bronze. And I love this because, again, you can swipe along one side and just get that pop of color. But for real sparkle, you should go across all of these. So go across all of them and give it, you know, a little swish on the tops of your cheekbones. It's nothing like it. It really does give you a nice, great wash of color. And it looks beautiful on dark and brown skin. So those are some of the highlights that I have. Like I said, I don't have my full collection because there are a couple of them that I'm still missing that I couldn't find for this video, but I will give them special mention in the description box below. Don't forget, give me a like for this video. It really helps me out a lot. Also, tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. And last but not least, subscribe. Click the button down below. It has my Brown Girl Bella logo on it, so you'll be in the Bella family in no time. Until next time, it's your girl Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, giving you lips, lashes, and luxury. Besos.